Major crypto news. If you hold crypto on Robinhood, you've got to be aware of this. So I don't know if you guys can see that right at the top. That is an alert that basically says, after review of the crypto we offer, we've decided to end support for Matic on June 27th, 2023 at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So essentially, we've got about 18 days to get your crypto off of Robinhood. You should not hold any crypto. I actually just hold like $100. I'm actually down. I'm getting blasted on that. I actually hold $100 on Polygon just because I figured, what the hell? I bought a little bit at like 82 cents. I had like $100 sitting in my Robinhood account. Now I got to get it out of there. And Polygon's falling, I think, presenting a ton of opportunities. But I want to make you aware of what's going on here, because Robinhood ending support for Solana, Polygon, and Cardano amid the SEC exchange crackdown. And this is Robinhood, I think, overreacting a little bit. But they're also overreacting because they've been in some trouble before, right? In the last few years, I think they're trying to stay in the good graces and trying to, be a good little boy right now while the SEC and Gary Gensler figure this whole thing out. But regardless, I want to make sure you guys have the information. Again, Polygon, Solana, Cardano, June 27th, 6:59 p.m. Eastern. Users can transfer these cryptos until this deadline. Remember, Robinhood has a wallet. You don't have to sell it. You can move your Polygon. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move that Polygon, that I have just a little bit over there. I'm going to move it back over into the DeFi wallet. Afterward, the firm will sell the coins at market value and credit the amount into the holder's Robinhood buying power. So if you do miss it, it'll just sell it for you. But if you want to hold your assets, again, Solana, Polygon, or Cardano, make sure that you're seeing this message and get it out of there before June 27th. Now, this move comes 3 days after Dan Gallagher said it was reviewing the SEC's lawsuit against crypto exchange giants Binance and Coinbase. Gallagher testified in the House Agricultural Committee that while the firm obtained a broker-dealer license for securities trading, it may not have the capacity to trade what the SEC deemed unregistered securities. Again, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, all named unregistered securities at this time, and we could see it right here on this list. There they are right here: Polygon, Solana, and Cardano. SEC has declared securities on these three. Again, this is just a label, okay? They've declared them as securities. It's not like they're not over. They're not just going to all just die and, be gone, right? It's just a label, and we're going to see how this all plays out. These lawsuits are not against these cryptos. They're against Binance and Coinbase, right? So, but want to make sure you guys have the information you need. Again, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, get it off of Robinhood. I would get every crypto they own on Robinhood, and Webull for that matter. I just go ahead and do that as well, right? Get it over in the DeFi wallet. We've been talking since the FTX debacle. Get your crypto off exchanges. Get it off exchanges. All right? Appreciate you guys as always. Want to make sure you guys are aware of this. Let me know down below what you're thinking. Give it a thumbs up. If you got some value here, would appreciate that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.